Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video. An update on Ondo. All right, I wanted to give you my thoughts. Yesterday, in general, we got some strong bullish momentum, and I would say the market structure for Ondo right now is also quite interesting. All right, there's definitely room. Let me quickly reset myself. There's definitely room for some sort of a breakout and some sort of a bullish Ondo. All right, so that's what I wanted to talk about. We're going to do a full update. We'll talk about everything. So let's get right into it. Now, first of all, Ondo as a project, I'm a big fan. All right, and I'm also a big holder of Ondo. I think that if you look at the RWA narrative, I still think it has a very bright future. And then, well, not always, but very, very often, what I think is that the best bet in a narrative that you think is going to do well is the crypto that has already done very well in it. All right, so if you it doesn't show the narrative right here, but here you can see, if you look at the top protocols in that sphere, most of these I would not classify as RWA. Ondo is really RWA. There's nothing you can say against that. And that has already performed very well. It's top 100, still has a lot of potential. So I'm a big fan of Ondo. Now, what's more interesting though right now is that we actually got some bullish momentum. All right. So if you look at, I think this was yesterday afternoon, yesterday evening, at least in my time zone, we got some strong open interest gains right here, right? So I'm not sure, but we can look that up in a moment. Just give me a second. So if you look at the CVD right here, it's not only been bullish, but you can see this major open interest candle. So that was a candle of about more than $10 million in positions opened. That was mostly bullish, all right. And then you can also see that we had a bit of a spike here as well. So that means that quite a lot of long positions have been opened. And if you look at this open interest that we reached earlier this morning, it has dropped down since. I mean, I'm not telling you that we're going to have a huge rally. I'm just telling you that I do think this is interesting. Because if you look at that, there's a bit of a divergence here, right? So you can see that we actually created a bit of a higher high in the open interest, while the price has just been consolidating. And that's also the structure right now. If you look at Ondo, we've had a significant bearish breakout at the start of April, dropping down below 85 cents. But so far, we've kind of been consolidating here in this region between 75 cents, which is our main support level, obviously. And then this resistance level right here around 85 cents. So from that consolidation, purely technically, a bullish breakout and a rally following upon that is obviously possible. Do I think that is realistic in these market circumstances? I'm not sure. All right. It's just, look, this is pretty bullish for Ondo, right? Because we've had quite a lot of long positions being opened here. And if a lot of long positions are being opened, there's a realistic chance that we can actually rally up again. Because those whales and those big position holders are not going to enter with or are not going to exit with a 2% win. I presume. I could be wrong. But the thing is that Bitcoin right now, I mean, Bitcoin is still pretty strong, but if you look at the Bitcoin dominance, that's also very strong. So what that means is that altcoins are still suffering. All right, so Ondo is 100% an altcoin. So personally, even though I do think you need to have a price alert open for the potential breakout above 85 cents, because that would be good. If we can break above 85 cents here, which there is a realistic possibility of that, we can rally back up to 95, $1, potentially higher if Bitcoin turns bullish. So that is a possibility, but for now, I still would say that the most likely scenario is that we will just continue to consolidate in this range. All right, so that you should just wait for either 73 cents or 85 cents to break. If one of those two levels breaks, we have confirmation, we have a little bit more clarity on the next moves, and that's what you want. All right, for now, I think you should be on high alert for a bullish breakout, but it's not most likely. So those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.